Oh, this is Sapgiant. Today I'm talking about SwiftBucks.co. What it is a website that claims that you should make money on social media very easily. All you gotta do is sign up and you'll get a $25 sign up bonus. And then this is how it works. You join the SwiftBucks, share and earn. For every referral, you'll earn $10 and you get paid through PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, mail checks, and more. And they have testimonials. Someone said they earned about $62,000 in 1 year. Compare why choose us and so forth. And it has been brands we work with: the Hershey, Medelia, DuPont, Louis. You can email them. Only contact is through email, and they're available on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and some other symbol I cannot identify. Okay, what's about the company? Let's see what they have. Certified with over 300,000 users, already paid $44 million over its lifetime. Serves in about 150 countries. Operate from 2015 to 2020. See what the people say about it. So far, is a video on it. That's pretty much all it would say. Some people think it's a scam, but let's see if it is actually or not. Okay, let me see if I can find some reviews on it. See, website rating is low. Don't trust them, so this is based on Scam Advisor, which is a website that tells you like what websites are safe or not safe. So it's have a low security. Why? Because they have a Dolphin SSL check. The positive side is checks, money back service. Negative highlights are high risk, cryptocurrency services, support anomalous transactions. They don't have any information on who is, which is a website that checks every single website see is legit. If their certificate's up to date, the website certificate. Key facts about the company. Okay, so owned by them, is valid certificate right now. They have the IP address, which is 172.67.149.65. They have Cloudflare. Country, this is operated in Japan, and they operate in the United States as well. Doesn't say much about the website. So, looks like a scam, but it's like pretty much there's a lot of websites, pretty much the same, which like you go inside, you join the pro, you have to complete like certain stuff like watch videos, take surveys, post reviews, make a video about them and post them on YouTube, and then you'll get paid for those. That's pretty much how it really works. So I have seen a lot of websites, I have tested some, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with everyone so I know about SwiftBucks, and comment down below what you think about this video. Like, is SwiftBucks legit or not legit? And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.